21 hours, 4 minutes, Coordinated Universal Time.
Beginning November 15, 2021, this will be broadcasting a test signal on minute 8 of each hour on WWV and minute 48 on WWVH. This signal has been created to assist in ionospheric research and is a joint effort of the Ham Radio Citizen Science Investigation and NIST. The signal consists of various tones, chirps, and noise bursts. The signal will be broadcast for several weeks. For more information on ham-sci and the WWVH project, please visit www.hamsci.org/WWV.
At the tone, 21 hours, 5 minutes, Coordinated Universal Time.